What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seen this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Makeup Monday video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this smoky eye look. If you're interested, continue watching. Guys, I am literally in a rush right now. I actually have a date, but I really just wanted to get on my phone, record this video so I could stay consistent for you guys. So forgive me if I don't go into detail in this video, but what you can do is go down below in my description box and read the stuff I will be putting in there, the items that I use and where I got them from. That is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, if you haven't already, please remember to follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.